My name is Matt. I'm from the United States.
I'm Lorena from Venezuela.
And we are going to travel the world. Come join us. We are in the National Park
of
Chitwan. And today is kind of the first day we worked all day, so today's the day we're actually doing a little sunset walk put on by the hotel. So
yeah, the hotel has been very good. In theory, all the hotels in this place help you a lot with the tours. Pero after a long day of work, it is time to chill, have fun, and enjoy nature.
Nature,
Elefantes, tigres,
maybe rhino,
rinocerontes,
cocodrilos,
cocodrilos. No, I'm saying the thing.
Okay.
But now in Spanish, cocodrilos.
Okay.
Cocodrilos. ¿Y qué otra cosa? And I have no idea what else to expect.
Yeah. We'll see there's sloth bears and who knows what we'll see. We got an adventure coming up in 2 days where we are going to see lots of animals.
Lots of animals.
But for now, we're just enjoying our walk tonight and do some more work tomorrow and then have fun here in Chitwan National Park and in the big park here in the middle of Nepal.
And listen.
Hear the birds?
This is why we came.
Yeah, nature.
To enjoy nature.
And also we read something that Nepal has 8% of the world's birds.
Yeah, they have even like tours for
bird watching.
Yeah,
all right.
Ok, ahora a disfrutar de la naturaleza. Bueno, today we learn de que en Nepal es legal comprar elefantes, búfalos y vacas. We will be recording today. We are going to a safari!
Good morning.
Yes!
We took a long bus from Pokhara to get here in Chitwan National Park in the little town of Soara. And we are here
because we came to see rhinos and animals and do a safari.
And that's what we're doing today, is a safari. We're going into this protected area in the south of Nepal.
Correcto. Este es un parque nacional llamado Chitwan. Estamos quedándonos justamente dentro del parque nacional, en un hotel dentro del parque nacional. El día de hoy vamos a estar recorriendo el parque nacional, que fue construido o inaugurado en 1970 o 73, si mal no recuerdo, y son más de 900 kilómetros cuadrados de parque, repletos de animales.
So after a bumpy ride from Pokhara yesterday, we are now here to see animals, and we have a good agenda for you today. What we're going to do is first is get on the canoeing and see the river animals there. Then we'll do a half-day walking tour and hopefully to spot a tiger. Yay. And then lastly, we will take the jeep.
The jeep and doing a safari on the jeep. We have a full day, but we're extremely excited. And praying to see animals.
Yeah, let's see animals, let's see animals. I'm meeting my Steve Irwin dream.
So. Yeah. I'm putting like all my good energy, like thinking, okay, we are going to meet rain, we are going to meet this, we are going to see this, we are going to see that, because it depends on luck.
Yeah, it really does. It's the animals, and if you're there at the right time. So
yeah,
here we go, let's go.
Follow us.
birds. We actually saw a crocodile, a couple of them, really cool. And now we're about to get off and go hiking through the jungle. In the jungle.
Let's join you.
We saw a crocodile.
Tiger.
This is elephant. You don't recognize? This one is the footprint.
Grasslands. Good morning walk.
Morning walk. Mira los elefantitos.
This
park called Chittor National Park in 1973. My area was for by 952 by
Next part of the adventure, the jeep.
The jeep. Half day
And then
jeep.
you can found
Safari.
like 4 major vegetation. This is called river and forest. And it is covered by 7%.
It's so hot.
And we just made it to the crocodile breeding ground in the jungle.
Yeah.
Muy caliente. We've seen a couple rhinos, lots of crocodiles, deer, a
Deers.
couple different monkey,
Oh.
and birds.
Yeah.
Lots of birds.
Lots of birds. La visión del tour guide is insane.
No
O sea, he can see like, okay, 7 kilometers from here there is a rhino, and you what? Like, not even the zoom of the camera can see it. Like, it's amazing. Really, really cool. That's super hot.
Muy caliente.
Demasiado calor, demasiado calor. Nos estamos
Let's go look at the
una piscina.
alligators.
Dale.
$100 to get in per person.
100 rupees is something like 80 centavos de dólar o
Like
80
$1.50.
centavos. No, mi amor.
It's different
less.
than Nepal.
Yeah, but it's
Oh,
also
I see what you're saying.
less.
She's right. She's right.
Yeah, yeah. It's about 80, 90 centavos
Yeah.
de dólar.
One cool thing about this conservancy of like protecting these crocodiles, the species of crocodiles in Nepal, is they are on the endangered species list. So they're trying to restore the population.
Sí, hay varias de las especies que están en el parque que están en extinción, entonces están haciendo todo para ver si
Sí.
se llegan a procrear,
Sí, muy bueno.
ayudar al sistema.
Where's the tiger?
Where's the tiger?
Yep. Long day.
Long.
It was good. But
Yeah,
we're about to go.
long day. Long day, pero we saw a bunch of animals. O sea, vimos monkeys, rinocerontes,
Deer, bison.
deers, bisones. Vimos a bunch of birds. You have no idea. It's like there's actually tours for
Birds.
bird watching. Hola!
Good evening.
Good evening! We are walking around
Chitwan.
Chitwan.
Sahara. Sahara.
Yeah,
I need a
trying-
snack.
Martin needs a snack today. Hoy es la noche en la que vamos a ir a ver un show cultural. Vamos a ir a ver el baile típico nepalí. Así que hemos salido del hotel después de un día agotador, porque el día de hoy hemos tenido problemas con mi celular. El celular no ha querido prender y ese celular es donde están todas las fotos y los videos para hacer los reels y conectar por Instagram de todo el viaje. Así que hemos estado bastante nerviosos y bastante histéricos tratando de rescatar las cosas y no lo hemos logrado. Pero salimos al baile nepalí. Matt is getting chips and Coke. Romantic music.
Can't hear anything.
Acabamos de salir del baile típico y el baile tradicional nepalí.
Yeah. So that was the Talu people, the culture. It's the indigenous people that are in the southern part of Nepal and the northern part of India, and it's a beautiful way to come and celebrate their culture, watch them dance, and it's fire, it's sticks, it's action, it's beautiful, it's fun.
It's a lot of passion. I was surprised.
Yeah.
She was actually trying to explain each of the dancing,
Yeah.
and she said that one of those, it is for people that pass away, for the family, to cheer the family
Yeah.
and give
Like, cheer 'em
good
up.
energy.
Yeah. That was
So
really
that
cool.
was really cool.
Yeah.
And then at the end, they made me dance, and of course
you got a
I
flower.
danced, and I got a flower from the peacock. Oh, so cute. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was really cool. Really cool experience. So if you're here, it's really cheap. I think it might be like,
Yeah, like
$3 to
$300.
$5 or something like
Exactly.
that.
300, that is less. It's like, yeah,
Yeah.
2 and something. So
So-
it's worth it.
It's worth it. It's in 1 hour. It's great.
Now back to the hotel.
Back to the hotel. Dear, near, near, near,
Bye,
near.
bye.
Dear, near, 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 dear, near, near, near.
In Kathmandu.
Don't forget to hit that bell. Subscribe. Follow us.
Sí, sí, sí. No se olviden de seguirnos y dejarnos todos sus comentarios.